They're so awesome to come out here for this show we only put together 2 nights ago, the last-minute replacement show. And you've already heard from me, Smiley Mikey. I started off the night earlier, and then we had Altered Ego, and then we had Ruby, and we're going to cycle through. You're going to hear her again, Altered Ego again, myself, and showing up a little bit later after work is Craig Prather, the fourth artist tonight. So we're going to keep Ruby on stage here. Do you guys mind for one more song? We're going to do a song by a band called Radiohead. You may have heard of them. Okay. And this song is called High and Dry. And so she's going to sing the high parts. And I'm going to sing the dry parts, I guess, right?
Test.
2 jumps in a week, I bet you think that's pretty clever, don't you, boy? Flying on your motorcycle, watching all the ground beneath you drop. You kill yourself for recognition, kill yourself to never ever stop. Broke another mirror, turning into something you are not.
Don't leave me high. Don't leave me dry. Don't leave me high. Don't leave me dry.
Drying up in conversation, you will be the one who cannot talk. All your insides fall to pieces, you're just sitting there wishing you could still make love. They're the ones who hate you when you think you got the world all sussed out. They're the ones who spit at you, you will be the one screaming out.
Don't leave me high. Don't leave me dry. Don't leave me high. Don't leave me dry.
Oh, it's the best thing that you ever had, best thing that you ever had. Best thing that you ever had, best thing you ever had is gone away.
Don't leave me high. Don't leave me dry. Don't leave me high. Don't leave me dry.
Don't leave me high, don't leave me dry. Don't leave me high, don't leave me dry. All right, thank you, Ruby J. I'm Smiley Mikey. So I'm going to play an original song called Stumble and Fall. It's not a drinking song, but let me segue real quickly to say we have drink specials tonight. Bud Lights for $2, Red Zen for $4, and take care of Stephanie behind the bar. And God, this is a good, fun crowd here. You know that? So Here's my song, Stumble and Fall. I'm Smiley Mikey. This kicks off or continues my second of my 2 sets tonight. Thought there was something better, so you shoved me off. You forgot all the laughter we had together, the times we held each other. Guess those simple pleasures couldn't last forever. Stumble and fall. You can bounce pretty hard, end up with some bad boy loser with a crippled heart. Stumble and fall. You tumble pretty far, never may find another lover, 'cause you're not young forever. Feelings fade, numb is forever. Thought you were through with me, gave up without a plea, wiped you out of memories, but they flooded back on me. Yeah, this hurts, you can't see, you just say let it be, forever let it be. Stumble and fall. You can bounce pretty hard, end up with some bad boy loser with a crippled heart. Stumble and fall. You tumble pretty far, never may find another love, 'cause you're not young forever. Feelings fade, numb is forever. Beauty fades, babe, dumb is forever. Stumble and fall. Thank you. I think I'm getting a text from Craig here to find out where he is. Okay, I'm driving over now. Should be there in 15 minutes. Brought my sustain pedal in case yours doesn't work. But we have rubies here tonight. Okay. Okay, that's awesome. So I'm going to do one more song, and then I will yield the stage once more to a duo called Altered Ego. You guys want to hear my country song? It's November Wind. I don't play the piano like country, and I probably don't sound country, but it's still nevertheless a country song, okay? And it's a duet for a guy and a girl, but there's no girl to sing her part here tonight, so I will sing the girl's part from the guy's perspective. And she still wins. They always win. You never know that you love someone till you lose her. She's out drinking with all the pretty young guys. I know that she's gotta get it out of her system, 'cause she's never been alone her entire life. And I think it's gonna rain all of the November winds wailing outside. The days are short, the nights they are long. I'm banging this piano till the feeling's gone. Rather be playing with her than playing this sad old song. We never fought or gave a thought to parting. She was over the moon for me. I took it in stride. Then she brought back my boots. Her long legs were walking. Out the door, my sight, but not my mind. And I think it's gonna rain all of the time. November winds wailing outside. The days are short, the nights are long. Banging this piano till the feeling's gone. Rather be playing with her than playing this sad old song. Here's where the band would come in. And I think it's gonna rain all of the time. November winds are wailing outside. The days are short, the nights they are long. Banging this piano till the feeling's gone. Rather be playing with her than playing this sad old song. I'd rather be playing with you, darling. Move out of the way, James. Thank you. Than playing this sad old song. Thank you. I can pick him out of the audience. I'm Smiley Mikey. That song was played on KTHX last week, by the way, the studio version. What's that? I will do comedy later on. But now we have something more important. We have Altered Ego, Lacey Webb, Christy Lynn coming up. Friend them on Facebook and vote for them to play at the Hard Rock at Lake Tahoe. Thank you.
All right, Christy Lynn, come on. All right, well, okay, I will. But I'll keep on my clothes on while I do it. This ain't that kind of party. I might make more money though that way. So I mean, you never know. You ever heard of a starving stripper? Because I haven't. Thank you for somebody laughing. I heard that. Okay, we're gonna start this set off slow. Oh, careful. This one is called Only Shot / Six at Heart, which this next song cannot be recorded. I'm sorry, sweetheart. I love you, but it's gonna be. It could possibly
You didn't hear this song.
be up for the 2013 Grammy Oscar nominations for Best Original Song Written for a Documentary this year. So this song will be featured, we think, for now, that for the next Burning Man documentary, it might go through for one
You
of the...
didn't hear any of that.
No, no, you didn't.
The production company's still working on all their press releases and stuff, so we're not actually technically supposed to be talking about anything specific.
As long as there's no tape recorders going on, it's okay. Because really, this song does not exist. Until the movie comes out.